Now, Shark has redefined the vacuum industry again. Introducing the all-new revolutionary high-performance rotator liftaway. It's like 3 incredible vacuums in one. A powerful upright with enhanced swivel steering for superior maneuverability in and around furniture and tight corners. A liftaway for super lightweight and portable cleaning that tackles the toughest jobs where other vacuums just can't go. And with the optional caddy, now you can put the liftaway on wheels for ultra convenience and superior cleaning efficiency wherever you need it. The Shark Rotator Liftaway is designed with one-touch controls for friendly ease of use and features advanced deep-down cleaning to remove stubborn and hidden dirt you can't see. Plus, greater multi-surface cleaning for carpets, tile, and wood flooring. And with a new extra-large dust cup, now you can clean larger areas faster and instantly empty the canister with a single push of a button. Best of all, the Rotator Liftaway offers even more versatility for easy cleaning on stairs and banisters, hard-to-reach places like ceiling fans and bookcases. Instantly remove pet hair and dander from chairs and couches. Delicately clean small keepsakes and computer keyboards. Or simply take it to your car for super clean detailing. The all-new revolutionary Shark Rotator Liftaway has all the power and versatility you'll ever need to keep your entire home fresh and sparkling clean day in and day out.
Assembling the Shark Apex Duo Clean with 0M powered liftaway is quick and easy. First, attach the wand to the nozzle. Then, slide the pod onto the pole down towards the nozzle until it clicks into place. Next, attach the handle to the wand and connect the lower end of the hose to the main body until it clicks into place. Turn the vacuum on with a power button on the handle, and just like that, you're ready to begin cleaning. Shark's next generation Navigator vacuum includes the 0M cleaner head, which actively removes hair wrap from the brush roll. Its lightweight design and above-floor lift-away technology makes it easy to clean stairs, furniture, and other above-floor areas. Anti-allergen complete seal technology ensures dust and allergens do not escape from the vacuum back into the air you breathe. Swivel steering provides effortless maneuverability on both floors and carpets, allowing for seamless debris pickup in hard-to-reach areas.